A powerful sandstorm hit the Turkish capital today. Large beige dust clouds were approaching the city, and it looked, of course, bizarre. Photos and videos of the impending storm have been posted online. People have shared videos of the storm approaching the city. Several people took to Twitter to share visuals of what it looked like, and at the moment it all seems so apocalyptic. The high winds affected at least 6 people, officials said. Massive dust clouds in Sahara Africa covered the Caribbean on their way to the USA. People share photos of hazy skies and beautiful sunset due to dust plumes. The sandstorm first hit the Poladi area and then covered the whole of Ankara. These strong winds also accompanied lightning strikes, which led to minor fires, according to Mayor Polatli Mursal. The clear sky was clouded by massive clouds of dust. Videos of the oncoming storm, as well as what the city looked like right after it, have been posted online and are certainly intimidating.
Cihanbeyli'den Konya istikameti kilometre 12 civarları.
Kaç tane kamyon birbirine girmiş oğlum? Yani 2 tane değil ki.